Hello kids, welcome to Happy Learners. Today we will learn numbers from 1 to 0. Let's start learning together. First we learn about the colors. This is green color. This is pink color. This is orange color. And this is blue color. Green color. One. Number 1. Pink color. 2. Number 2. Orange color. 3. Number 3. Blue color. 4. Number 4. Five. Number 5. 6. Number 6. 6. And the color is pink. 7. 8. Number 8. 9. Number 9. 9. 0. 0. Number 0. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.